Looking to breathe new life into your Dell Optiplex? Today, we're diving into a compatible 260W power supply that could be just what you need. This unit is designed as a replacement for a range of Dell Optiplex models, including the 3060, 3050, 3050M, 5050, 5060, 7050, 7060, 3080, 5080, 7080, 5090, 7090, and even the MT versions like the 7,080 metric tons and 7,090 metric tons. Compatibility is key, and this power supply aims to deliver. It's designed to replace several Dell part numbers, such as D260E003P, L260EBM 01, H260EBM 01, and AC260EBM 01. If you're seeing those numbers on your existing power supply, or if you're looking to replace a WYCHAR8 or JJ4YW unit, this could be a solid option. The specifications are pretty standard for this class of power supply. It accepts AC input ranging from 100-240V at 4.2A, making it suitable for various power grids. The DC output is a maximum of 260W, which should be sufficient for the Optiplex systems it's designed for. Connector-wise, you're getting a 6-pin, a 4-pin, and another 4-pin connector, which should match the requirements of the compatible Optiplex motherboards. Beyond the basic specs, this power supply includes some nice features. It boasts an intelligent temperature-controlled fan, which should help keep things cool and quiet. The adaptive wide-voltage design is another plus, potentially offering more stable operation and safety. The inclusion of multiple interface connectors should also make installation relatively straightforward. The build quality seems decent, with a focus on electromagnetic interference reduction and reduced power radiation. The use of what are described as high-quality capacitors is a good sign, suggesting a focus on reliability and longevity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.